Welcome to Web API tutorials. I am Venkat. This is part 23, content negotiation in Web API. Content negotiation is nothing but supporting multiple formats. When the customer is asking data in JSON format, API should return it in JSON format. When the customer is asking the data in XML format, API should return the data in XML format. That is nothing but content negotiation. But right now our application is supporting only JSON formats, and for the other formats, if we send the request for XML data, it is still returning JSON format as our application is configured to support only JSON data. That's why it is returning JSON for all kinds of requests. So we can also return the error message for unsupported formats. If we want to return error for unsupported formats like XML, so right now our application is not supporting XML. When we are not supporting XML, it's not a good idea to return the data in JSON format. If they are asking the data in JSON format, then it is good to give the JSON data. But when they are asking it in other format, XML format, so when we send the request for XML data, it is returning it in JSON. That's not a good idea. So in these cases, we can return the error message. When the customer is asking the format which is not supported by the API, we should return the error. So for that, in Web API, go to the program.cs and in the add controllers method, add the flag options dot return HTTP not acceptable equal to true. If we set this property to true, then it will return the exception for non-supported formats. So right now, let's ask JSON data. We got the JSON data. And let's ask the data in XML format. Okay, we need to rerun the application. I just modified it. I did not rerun it. When we rerun the application, it will build again and run it. The changes will be applied. Okay, application is running again. And if we go here and send for XML data, here we can see 406 error, not acceptable. So that's the error we will get. That's how we can return the error message for unsupported formats. Now let us see how we can enable our application to support XML format. So for that, we need to add XML formatters. On top of this JSON method, on top of this add controllers, we need to add one more method, that is a XML for add XML data contract serialization formatters. This is the method we need to add to support XML data formats. So let me rerun it again. Our application is running. This time I'm requesting for XML data, send it. We got the XML data. Now our application is supporting JSON and XML, two formats. If we ask the other format, that is text, it will return the error 406. If we ask for JSON data, it will return 200, and XML data, it will return the XML. So now our application is supporting two different formats. Whenever you ask for the other format, it will give you the 406 error. That's the content negotiation in Web API. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.